Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be comparing two different infant car seats, the Nuna PIPA and the Maxi-Cosi Mico 30. To start off, it's important to note that the Mico 30 has a slightly lower weight capacity. It can hold babies up to 30 pounds and the PIPA can hold up to 32 pounds. The Mico 30's carry handle is made of a durable plastic and is contoured for an extra comfortable carry. The PIPA's handle is accented with a brown luxe leatherette material. The Mico 30 has self-wicking fabric, which is machine washable and dryer safe. The PIPA has micro-knit fabric that can only be spot cleaned. Both of them have 5-point harnesses. They both have extendable canopies with flip-out visors, but the PIPA has a few extra features, a peekaboo window and the Dream Drape. If you want to create a travel system, both car seats are compatible with strollers of their respective brand, the Nuna Tavo and the Maxi-Cosi Zelia. These car seats both include bases for easy installation. The recline levels on each base are adjustable. The Mico 30's base has a handle to initiate multiple recline positions, but the PIPA's base just has a flip foot to adjust the recline to a second level. The Mico 30 has a level line sticker on the side of the carrier to refer to, but the PIPA has a bubble level indicator in the base. The PIPA's base has a 2-section load leg to provide extra stability in case of a collision, which the Mico 30 base doesn't have. Both bases have a latch system. With the Mico 30, there is a soft structure latch strap that you'll route through the seatbelt path to attach to the lower anchors. The PIPA, on the other hand, has a flip-out rigid latch system, so it's a little easier. In terms of installation, both car seats can be installed without their bases, using the side clips and the European belt clip on the back of the car seat. In terms of price, the Mico 30 is about $120 cheaper than the PIPA. Overall, we really love both of these infant car seats. The PIPA does have a few extra features because Nuna is more of a luxury brand, but we hope that this video helped make the choice easier. Thanks for watching. Feel free to shop these products and any other product at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders that are $25 or over. To learn more about how to install the Nuna PIPA, go ahead and click on this video. And to learn how to install the Maxi-Cosi Mico 30, go ahead and click this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.